What is that?
This is a goose. And this is a healthy thing.
Okay, I have a crocodile and a penguin. Which one you want?
I want a crocodile.
You want a crocodile? Okay, one fruit from this group. There is a fruit. Oh, what is that?
A carrot.
Is that a fruit?
No,
Okay,
a grape is a fruit.
it's a yummy fruit.
It's a horse.
Horse says, is the horse says moo?
No,
Then,
that means it's a cow. But a horse says neigh.
oh, I got something. Is that a bird?
That's a bird. It's an owl.
Okay, let's go.
This is a pig. This pig looks cute. Yeah. See this necklace? And this is a flower. It's a cool flower. It's a fruit and it's healthy. It's an apple with green leaf and a black stem.
Yeah, green leaf. Where's the green leaf?
Oh, the green leaf is over here.
It's a green leaf
And a brown stem. Chili.
What do you do if we eat a spicy chili?
We can drink some water before eating it.
Before eating it or after eating it?
After eating it.
In this group, which one you like most?
I like the snail.
Why?
It's cute and it has a pretty shell.
Oh, here is another cute. Who is
A
that?
penguin.
Okay.
He bathes in the ice
Mhm.
and it's orange. It seems like an apple because it has leaf, but it's round and it's orange. There's